Hey guys, thanks for joining me. I appreciate everyone that watched the previous short video. What does it do? There was a few folks that guessed it was probably an oscillator type circuit, and that's exactly what it is. When I was working on the Zenith 5S127, I decided to play around and create this, and you can see it's an Armstrong oscillator tester, and I just used an old ballast tube shield, again 8 pin, and mounted the JFET, 2 resistors, 1 capacitor, and of course the battery. There's no need for a switch because the circuit is off until it's plugged in to the tube socket itself. Again, an unenergized receiver, of course, no power applied. And it seems to work pretty well. You can see the simple layout. It's more of a prototype build. Again, I think one could use this as well with a 6A7 with a modification or 2A7. You can see the tickler coil to the right of the number 10 on the oscillator. That's the primary side and the secondary side. And I'll look at the circuit in action, and you can see I can rotate the band selector switch for the different bands for this particular receiver, A, B, and C. And that depicts the oscillator frequency there if you look at the picture-in-picture for the tracking of the oscillator with the highest amount of capacitance. Again, you can see I've got the O-scope tied in directly to the oscillator section of the receiver, which is the front section. And again, as I remove it, it kills the oscillation and the simple design. Thanks again to everyone that watched the first video and then the conclusion itself. Have fun restoring these old receivers. Until my next update, everyone take care and stay well.